Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, good
My
evening,
name is Peter Winganale, sports analyst. We are live at show Baru Mushiakara Uniport, watching the match between Nigeria and South Africa. So, what do you have to say about it? Who is going to lead the day between Nigeria and South Africa?
Okay. Well, Nigeria is playing well. They are doing well. As you can see from the way the match is going, you can see that Nigeria is playing very well. But it's just that they lack experience. They need to do more, and they need to go inside, play the ball inside. And no, Osimhen, more especially Osimhen, everybody is just putting hope on Osimhen. So what they need to do is that they should be feeding this guy. Once they are feeding him, I believe the guy will score or the guy will do better.
Victor Osimhen.
Victor Osimhen.
So,
Yes,
is he the only active player on the Nigeria side?
as it stands now, yes, it's the only person we are looking up to. It's the only hope we are having. So they should try. Second half, they should come up, fit Osimhen well. I'm very sure Osimhen will score. Yes, sir.
So, on the South Africa side, are they playing more better than Nigeria?
Well, South Africa, they are also playing well, and they are also feeding the attacking side. They are feeding them well, but the people that will score the goal, they are not there to score. If only Nigeria had people that will be feeding Osimhen just as the way South Africa is feeding it, by now Nigeria would have scored their own goal.
So, your conclusion is that Nigeria is doing more better than South Africa, but their finishing point is their problem.
Yes, that is their problem. So Nigeria need to do more. They need to do more. They need to do more. Yes.
All right. So, at the end of the first half, Nigeria 0, South Africa 0. So, we are still live at Shoba Uniport, watching the match between Nigeria and South Africa. If you like this video, please do well to like, share, and comment below. Thank you very much. My name is Peter Winganale, a sports analyst and a content creator from the marketplace. We are live at Shoba Uniport, watching the match between Nigeria and South Africa. So, based on the first half performances between Nigeria and South Africa, what do you have to say about it? Who do you think is going to lead the game?
From the current situation on ground now, I think Nigeria is going down on the game now, but based on my belief also, I think they could come up again with another mechanism, the other inner mechanism, which can change the game all around. I think this first half now, they've been using it now to know their lapses, to check on their mistakes. But I believe if they should come back, there will be an inner change, there will be an inner mechanism at least that will change the current situation on ground.
Okay, so in conclusion, what you are saying is that Nigeria is doing better, but they need to do some changes to make it more professional, more good, so that they that they can as well achieve a goal.
Yes.
While resuming on the second half.
Yes.
So on the South Africa side, are they also doing well?
Yes, they are trying their best. They are doing their best, as you can see. They have been making so much attempts. They have been making impacts in the first half, but that's due to our kind of misunderstanding between the midfield and the front. Since the 9 is weak, I think somehow he's not too active from my view, from the view of things. So I think there should be a support towards the front.
So who is the key player on the Nigerian side that everybody is hoping on to make something happen on the pitch?
Actually, Victor Osimhen is the one we are looking up to. He's the one we are looking up to. So I think by the grace of God, he's still going to deliver us tonight.
All right, thank you very much. We are still at Show Baru Mushiakara Uniport, watching the game between Nigeria and South Africa. If you like this video, please do well to comment, like, and share. Thank you very much. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening. I'm Peter by name, a sport analyst and a content creator from Ogoni Marketplace. We are live at Show Baru Mushiakara Uniport, watching the game between Nigeria and South Africa. So, with their first 45 minutes, who do you think is going to lead the ball between Nigeria and South Africa?
It's Nigeria we need, and I believe that Osimhen will score the winning goal by Nigeria.
Okay, you believe that Victor
Osimhen will score the final goal.
Is going to be the one that will score the winning goal for Nigeria?
Yes.
What's giving you that confidence, sir?
Because he's learning how to make the goal and to lift the cup too to Nigeria.
Is he the top player of Nigeria?
Yes. Yes, he's Africa best.
African best.
Yeah,
So
he will prove himself.
so he's going to prove himself to the whole world that
Yes.
indeed he deserves the African best award.
Yes.
Okay. So far, with their performances in the first 45 minutes, is he playing well?
Yeah, he's playing well, but South Africa defense is too tight for him.
Okay,
They mark him well.
the South Africa defense is
Yes.
well prepared for the game.
For the game.
So with the defense, do you still have the confidence that Victor Osimhen is going to break that defense and score a winning goal for Nigeria?
I get the full confidence. Victor Osimhen will break the defense and get the winning goal to Nigeria.
To Nigeria.
Yes.
All right. Let's go back to the to second half of the game. Here is the streets of Rumushia Karasho by Uniport. We are here live watching the match between Nigeria and South Africa. Please, if you like this video, do well to like, comment, and share. Thank you very much.